What is up, guys? And what is up, B-Hall?
What's going on, Jimmy Oaks? Welcome to today's video.
So yesterday, as you guys know, we were working on the LSZ. It was in for the works, the big horse puppy package.
Hell yeah. A little chop game, little high flow action
A little
here.
sun. As you guys know, we're working with Texas Speed on getting the LSZ right, getting some more horse puppies out of it. So we took the heads off, we sent them out, got them fully built, sent them back looking beautiful. They sent us a cam and all supporting modules with it. Basically enough to make this
Everything we need to have a good time.
That's
what we got going on.
That's what
right
I'm
here.
saying. So yesterday we threw the cam in, got all the front cover on and everything. So now it's at the point where we have to throw the heads on.
Yeah, we're gonna finish building this long block up, and hopefully we can get this thing started tonight.
All right, guys. So these are pretty cool. So this is actually my original set of heads off my LS1. Sent these down to the Texas Speed guys. They took them and gave it the works. So we got CNC port job on both sides of the head. We got valve springs and retainers with bigger valves, so we stepped it up in a size. And they also decked them pretty aggressively to help bump up the compression on the engine.
Hell yeah.
This is going to be the key right here to really making the jam out of the LS1.
Absolutely. We're finally gonna push the NA numbers on this thing, and I think it's gonna prove to be a wicked beast.
Dude, look at these things.
I know.
Isn't that crazy?
Gorgeous.
Look at that intake valve. It's huge. Damn. And of course, with our kit, we have two brand new beautiful head gaskets. So get the job done. So let's throw these on and get the heads on. Oh, nice work.
Beautiful. That seemed too easy, but all right.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay, that was really easy. Of course, in our kit comes new OEM style head bolts. Nice work. Alright guys, so all the head bolts are seated. Everything went in nice and easy, which is really good because sometimes things get corroded and it's gross. But now it's time to torque the heads. This is a tedious, not so fun process. Man, it's the LS. We should just get the impact gun.
That's what Derek says.
How many Ogachogas do you think it'd be?
I'd say probably 4 to 5 Ogachogas.
The first pass, 22 foot-pounds down the board. Nice and easy.
Done.
Now what we have to do is 2 more passes, both at 90-degree turns. Boom, and 1 more. Boom. You're gonna be my angle gauge, all right?
All right, I got you.
Ready?
Yep.
Take it in.
Yep. Beep.
A few moments later.
So we just did a pass at 90, and now it's time for another pass at 90.
Get it.
She's all torqued up, looking pretty official. So now it's time for the push rods. And of course, we got the new Tech Speed upgraded push rods to work with our custom cam. All lubed up, nice and ready. Just drop them right in. I'll let you do the honors, B.
Feel very slippery.
Nice. Drop this bad Larry right here. I think that's where it goes. Right there. And then we just have 16 of these bad Larrys.
Oh, come on, Jimmy. This is taking a little too long. Let's go. That's better. Let's see if that works on the other side. And nice.
Nice work. Let's torque them down, boys. Oh. Come on, baby. If we're gonna bend the valve, it's gonna be now. A little bit of pre-lube here. No funnel gang, as you guys know. That's how we do it around these parts.
It's a lot easier when your hole's the size of your head.
Should probably clean the dust off this. Well, this happened.
Last piece of the accessory puzzle.
We actually labeled some things, surprisingly.
Yeah, no, that's why we didn't film it, because it just happened so fast.
Oh boy. Something like that. That goes above it, yeah. And then we're doing the part that I was dreading, and that's putting the manifolds back on. This side's easy, really easy to access. Brian's side, on the other hand, quite miserable.
Yeah, well, I'm just getting started and starting. Pretty miserable.
Now it's basically time to put the intake on, which is huge. I mean, that's one of the last steps. Unfortunately, I don't have the gaskets for the steam ports, so we can't finish this everything today and get all the coolant stuff on. We'll do it tomorrow. It's too late to pick it up now. But throw the intake on, wire it all up, and we can hear this thing fire. I'm excited. Me and B have been grinding all day trying to make this happen. There's a lot of dumb, stupid prep stuff we have to do off camera, but we're making it work, and almost there. So this is something stupid I ordered forever ago, and I forgot I had it until now. And it's basically just like a piece of insulation that goes between your intake manifold and your valley cover, I think they call it. And this is to help reduce intake air temps by keeping some heat out of your intake manifold. And I guess it's like supposed to help. I don't know how much, but while it's out, we might as well try. And yes, I should get like an LS6 style intake, LS6 intake, whatever, but I didn't buy one yet. They're expensive.
You can line it up there.
I think right here is good.
Sure.
So yeah, I don't know how much it's gonna do for us, but definitely doesn't hurt.
Yep.
Oh,
pissing fuel.
I'm so happy that didn't happen on anything where there's paint. I neglected the fact of how easy this harness is to plug in. It was all like in form from sitting for so many years that like it just all plugged right in, and through the coil packs in, which are literally 4 bolts. Easy peasy. We're gonna leave the injectors unplugged, so when we crank it, it can build oil pressure without starting. And then all we gotta do is put the plugs in, plug wires, and then fluids, and we should be able to start it for the first time, which is really crazy. Last piece before fluids. Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm so excited. Fluids are in.
No funnel gang.
No funnel gang. All right, battery on.
You got a beep. That's always a good sign. Get your freaking big ass in that thing. Oh god. Oh jeez. Oh. NASCAR it. NASCAR it. Hell yeah. T-tops. Nice.
There you go.
Best thing about T-tops, you look straight up and you hawk a loogie.
All right.
You gotta do it while you're driving, or else you're gonna be in for a bad time.
All right, guys.
Alright, shit.
You guys ready?
See if it turns over.
Let's build some oil pressure. Keep your eyes peeled for some leaks of some sort.
Okay, eyes are peeled. Mainly just looking at fuel right now.
Yeah, this battery's not stoked. Oh, I guess the battery's dead. We have more. All right. You guys ready?
Yeah.
This thing extremely low on gasoline. A little concerned about it.
All right, this is the moment.
I've always been such a nervous wreck with this car. Like more than any other car, it's always been this car. So
Is the fuel pump prime on this thing?
yeah, it's just like very low on gas. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
Like what your E46 probably looks like right now. That low.
It's gonna have a tank right now, Jimmy.
Yeah, right. You ready?
Yeah.
This thing always starts for a second and then stalls and starts and stalls and then starts, and we'll get it. That's just the way the ECU works. Ready? It sounds like a V8 finally.
It does.
Oh, I got too excited.
Yeah.
It's controlled. Like it's a really clean, like rumble. Dude, that sounds good.
It does. It has a nice note.
Like it doesn't sound overdone. Like it sounds controlled. Like a lot of these bigger cams, they kind of sound like a little like too aggressive. You know,
Yeah.
this sounds like a street car. This is sick.
Damn, like I was saying yesterday, you have a full exhaust.
Yeah, full
It's
exhaust.
never like sounded like a V8 too much, but now it does.
Now the real test is what it says on what it does on the dyno.
Right, we have old numbers.
We have old numbers. So the old numbers, I think this thing made like 227 or like 327 or something, which is pretty good for a stock LS. I guess we'll find out maybe tomorrow. We have a dyno.
Yeah.
See what happens.
No, and yeah, we got to throw it back on the exact
So,
same dyno.
We're still on the stock LS1 intake. I do want to get a better intake, but for now, what do you guys think it's gonna make? I want to see what you guys think in the comments, right? Well,
Hell yeah.
My guess, 417. Maybe 408. I'm gonna go 408.
You guys know I'm going 420. You guys know.
You guys, okay, fair enough. Suma, what do you think?
I'm gonna say 413.
Okay.
Fair.
All right, we have a pretty tight spread.
Not
Let
bad.
us know in the comments below. We want to know what you guys think.
Bill heads, big ass cam, healthy bottom end, shitty headers.
To be honest, they kind of have to be for this chassis. It's
With this height, yeah. So okay, let's. I want to hear it one more time. Oh, dude, it sounds so good.
oh, I love it.
That chop though.
Somebody needs a retone.
What's up, RJ? Hey, Jim. Nice to see you here. You too.
Speak for yourself, Jimmy.
I'm
hate
talking to
seeing
you,
RJ.
Brian. RJ, I figured you'd love to hear this.
I want to hear it.
You've been wanting me to put a cam in this thing since we put it together.
Go. I said to do it on the first build, but Jimmy didn't want to listen to me, like usual.
Oh. Give a little, just leave it.
Shit sounds good.
Maybe it's out of gas.
No, I mean, it's turning over.
This thing is fucking empty, and do you hear the fuel pump? It's never this loud.
It sounds like RJ.
It's dead empty. Yeah, this thing's out of gas. Hey, stop that.
Drink up, baby girl. Drink up. Put some corn in it.
There we go. How cool does that sound, dude? Oh, yeah. Dude, it sounds so sick. It took a nice little beat to it. Right? It was a nice little shimmy. Hell yeah.
Oh, it's running so rich. Oh.
You know what it sounds like? It sounds like it's going potato, 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 potato.
Yeah, just about. Alright guys, so the LSE sounds amazing. I'm so happy. I don't know, we ran out of gas. That's my bad. Whatever, it's cool. Now tomorrow we're going to finish up the cooling system, get on the ground, get it driving around, get on the dyno, hopefully. We're aiming to getting on the dyno tomorrow. And hopefully we shoot for some good horse puppies. So,
What do you say, tomorrow?
yeah, tomorrow,
I'm not even going to be around.
That's so lame.
Well, maybe I'll swing by. Either way.
Father's Day and Jimmy has no one to spend it with.
Facts.
Yeah, me neither.
Parts looked amazing, parts went on amazing, and tomorrow we're going to see how they perform. Oh, I'm so excited. But of course, guys, check them out. Link in the description for all your LS needs.
Texas Speed, absolutely.
baby. So,
Super excited.
but it's late. It's been a long day once again.
Very long day, but super excited. I mean, two days. We started pretty late both days, but the thing's done. It's hitting. Tomorrow you gotta come here early, throw a radiator in it, and should be good to go.
So remember, guys, guess the power below. Izzo, what do you think it's gonna make? Yeah, no one cares. Like, comment,
Come on, no,
What did it make stop? What did it make stop?
no. What it made like I think
385?
330 and
330, yeah.
340
330.
torque
What do
or
you got?
something
You got
like
heads
that.
now?
Heads, cam.
Heads, cam. 410.
No, I'm thinking 438.
Okay,
438.
I like that. That's you're the highest so far.
Travis?
250.
Okay, go. What's that? You've been hanging out with Damien too much. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and see you tomorrow. Peace!